What's up, good people? No, I'm just kidding. You guys know I got that from Uncle Larry himself. Today, I am here to do the segment that you guys have been loving, where I review my top 3 favorite YouTubers and I kind of recap and give a little extra information on their stock picks. Now, we've got some new and exciting things coming here on this channel, and next week, you guys are going to be getting Nadia's stock pick. Let's make money moves.
So Nadia, what's up?
We making money moves.
Who making money moves?
We making money moves.
You making money moves?
We making money moves.
We making money moves.
We making money. Okay, so like I said, that's Sain, Stock Moe, and Larry Jones. Like Stock Moe always says, stick around. I think you're gonna like what I got for you. Now, Sain, that's where we're gonna start with. He started off by suggesting Capital Southwest. Their ticker symbol is CSWC. It was $21.71 when he suggested it, and he believes that we should buy up until March 11th. This is because on March 12th, they will start giving out dividends, so the more you put in before that date, the higher your payout would be. This is actually Sain's best performing dividend stock, so definitely check it out, but make sure you own shares before that market would close on March 11th. Just for some background on this company, according to my research on Yahoo Finance, it's a company that specializes in credit and private equity. They invest in lots of different types of companies, such as industrial technologies and specialty chemicals, and they're based in Dallas, Texas. Another one he talked about was FCEL Energy. Their ticker symbol is FCEL. It's another company that I just said Chris recommended. Now their stock was $20.63 when he discussed it. And he said that previously it had run all the way up to $29 and that it would be good to purchase around $20. But if it goes back up to $29, he doesn't recommend purchasing it. He says if it drops between $15 and $17, it would be ideal and that we should hold it until it runs back up to $30. You might want to rewind that because there's a lot of numbers, but it's definitely important to pay attention to where they're suggesting, what price point they're suggesting to buy at, and at what point they're suggesting to hold it to. Now, FCEL Energy designs, manufactures, and runs services with direct fuel cell power plants that run on natural gas. When Chris first brought this stock up on his channel, it was only at $7, so he made a great call on this one, and he's really helping people make money. This is why Chris is one of my favorites. He also talked about Tesla. He mentioned that Tesla would be a good buy, which I agree. At the time of his video, it was priced at $782, and he suggests between $782 to $785 as a good buy. And I was talking with Uncle Larry about Tesla. Now, he believes that people are actually pulling some money out of Tesla and actually putting it into CCIV, which I thought was interesting. Now, let's move on to what Stock Moe had to say. Did you guys stick around? I hope so. So Stock Moe talked about good penny stocks worth investing in. And in this video that I chose to review, he gave us an update on CCIV, that's Churchill Capital. Now, I've talked about this one before, but he brought it up again, so I'm bringing it up again. You know, I learned from the greats. This was a SPAC that's rumored to merge with Lucid Motors. Now, there's still no news on that merger as of yet, and Uncle Larry has been selling some of his warrants with CCIV. And just as an update, on February 19th, there was a 12 to 13% drop that happened. It was kind of crazy because it happened in the time span of about a minute or two. And there was no news as to why this happened. Now, Stock Moe stressed the importance of how rare something like this is. And when people saw that price start to drop, a lot of people panic sold. But what do we always say? Smart investors use that dip as an opportunity to buy more. Now, this was a very small window to buy. Like we said, the drop happened for only a minute or two, which is crazy. So those people who panic sold, when it went back up, they might have missed out. but the smart investors used this as an opportunity to buy more. It was a small window to buy, so if you managed to time it right, congratulations. And if you're still invested in this one, keep holding. You know, he has a really good feeling about it. Now again, Uncle Larry has also been talking about this one, and he still also suggests holding off to buy this stock until after the merger happens. He also told us about Hive blockchain technologies. That's HVBTF, which was $5.36 when he reviewed this stock. Now, since his video was posted on Friday, there have not been any updates on what has changed. And as I look at it now, there's not a significant difference in the price. They have had drastic growth in their company since last November, and it's a software company that's based in Vancouver, Canada. Now let's move on to my personal favorite, my mentor, Larry Jones. Uncle Larry told us about VERU. That's their ticker symbol. That's also their company name. This was sitting at $17.29 at the time of his video. It's a biopharmaceutical company, and they develop medicine for patients who are managing their cancer. He also wanted me to tell you guys about USWS. That's their ticker symbol. The company is US Well Services. They're a clean fracking company. And Larry Jones has it on his watch list. It's important that I tell you guys he only bought a very small position, and this one you're going to have to want to keep an eye out, because he thinks that if it breaks above $2, that's a good sign that that stock is going to continue to run up, and that it would be a safe buy, you know, worth investing in, because it shows promise. But again, only if it goes above $2. And he also talked about SOS Limited. And I've talked about this in previous videos. I believe on our last Q&A, we touched on it a little bit. If you guys haven't seen that, go check it out. But as a refresher, SOS is into Bitcoin mining, and it is part of blockchain technology. But let's give a little more details on SOS. So during the dips on Thursday, Larry Jones came out with a bold video suggesting that SOS was a definite buy. And since then, you know, I think he was onto something, because it's run up roughly 6%. And guys, please remember, you know, we're really trying to stress the importance of not panic selling. Just to, you know, give you guys another little update, we've linked my Instagram account in my YouTube account. So please go check it out. I will also be talking about investment opportunities on there and letting you guys know a little bit more about my life. So go check it out. Let me know what you guys think. You can DM me with questions, comments, and leave a comment in the description below. You guys know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, because you're not going to want to miss what we've got to share. Don't forget, next week is Nadia's stock pick. Let's make some money moves.